The story behind our canoe Kūmau at Nakamakai starts with like a marital fight, right? Where Dwayne's like, I'm buying a canoe, and I'm like, there's no fucking way we can afford a canoe right now. And I'm like, it's broken and I can't even take it in the water. But he could see the island, right? Like navigators do. He could see what was way ahead of anything that I could see. I didn't have that vision or ability to see the vision, and was persistent. And finally the canoe, launched this year in the water. And 900 kids alone this summer were sailing on that canoe. And so the impact is there. It's crazy how these things start. But that's what I feel like our life is, like all these little circles and energy just intersecting with each other